Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the BFULL Waterproof Dry Bag. So I've never heard till now about these things, and so I just thought I'd give it a try. So this is something like a bag in different sizes, different colors. You can buy it from as small as 5 liters up to 40 liters in all different kind of colors. And the meaning is to keep your dry things dry and your wet things. You can protect your dry things from your wet things, something like that. So here we have it. We get even a warranty card and probably some contact information, but of course we are interested into the bag. We get the bag and we get also a strap which you can use to wear it around your shoulder. So I have the whole bag here now. I have even the strap which I can use to carry it around my shoulder. Here we can see the extra pocket, which is definitely, or looks at least definitely waterproof. There's absolutely no hole to see. I've never seen such a zipper. It looks crazy. If any zipper is 100% waterproof, then definitely this one. But there's also another pocket which won't be waterproof, but I guess that's for a water bottle. So now let's see how we can get this bag waterproof. That's a crazy thing, because it's actually supposed to be waterproof and we don't have any seal. You don't see any seal here. I mean, even when I look left, right, outside, inside, there is absolutely no seal to see, and you would think, yeah, how can that thing seal? It's impossible. I mean, you would expect that you need something to clip together, like these bags which you can buy in the supermarket, and close it for like to put something in the freezer or fridge or something like that. This bag doesn't have anything like that. So the only instruction which you find here is this thing. So it is in 3 languages. In English it says fold 3 times around the stiffening blade and close the buckle. Okay, so let's do that. I leave a little bit of air inside so we can see if this is really watertight or airtight. So because it was really difficult to just fill it with air, I put a towel inside, which we can use to test if there is even air going inside or outside. So we follow the instructions and put this together, and now we fold it down 1, 2, 3. Yeah, here we have something which is probably not so good, I don't know. So, and now we fold it together. I have absolutely no clue how this works. This is no magic, no nothing. I just put this together, and now we see if this is airtight or watertight. And as you can see, magically, somehow, absolutely magically, there is no air leaking from this thing. Even when I stop talking and pushing, you cannot hear air moving out. So I'll do that now. Nothing. Isn't that crazy? I have done this now 2 or 3 times. First time I thought, yeah, maybe it's just by chance. But it looks like it happens magically every time. So you can see, I mean, if no air is able to leak out, so there's absolutely also no water like coming in. There's no way water gets into this bag. So I have now been pushing down for almost 5 minutes on this bag, and there's still the same amount of air inside. So I can't do anything. It's hard to believe. That's definitely no trick. There's no magic thing. I mean, I'm just recording live and I can't believe my eyes what's going on here. But it looks like it's working. Yeah, a waterproof bag. Really nice thing. Really looks really sturdy. Yeah, obviously waterproof. This thing is about, I think it was about $15. Really super cheap. You can get it in nice colors, different sizes. This is 20 liters, so it's absolutely intermediate. You can have it small 5-liter bags or up to 40 liters, which is really huge. Yeah, something like, I think 20 liters is a really good size. It's like almost like a standard small backpack where everything fits which you need to take at the beach for an afternoon at the beach, or small trip with like for fishing or something like that. I don't know. So yeah, absolutely amazing. I'm blown away. I can't find the reason why it works, but it looks like it's working, and I can only highly recommend that thing. Yeah, I'll put down the link into the description down there, so you can order it right from there, from Amazon, if you like. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about this thing, and I hope I was still able to help you a little bit with that, even when I'm not able to explain how this seal magically works. So, but that's it for now. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.